Yep. I just woke up today and I felt like I don't know. I just woke up and I felt like I should clean my room today. And why is that? Because my room is kind of messy. काफी ज़्यादा. I don't know what's happening here. Okay, I don't even know what's happening there. I don't even have a clue what's happening here. So just making content from last 2.5 years now. So I realized something. I learned something. You just have to yap in front of your camera. You just have to yap. That's it. The more you rap, the more you yap, the more people will just would like to see you. I guess. I don't think people who don't like people who yaps will watch my video. So fuck. So well, I'm thinking about cleaning my room today because it's a kind of mess. Like to be honest, it's a mess. So I don't know where to start. Maybe from there or there. I don't know. Actually, it's a mess. So it doesn't matter where I start from. I guess. Little ball bench. Sure. The whole room is kind of a mess, so it doesn't matter where I start from. So I'll just start from here. Hardest task for me right now. हाँ इसका बच्चा खो गया कल तो ढूंढ रहे हैं हम एक तरीके से बच्चे को. हाँ माऊ माऊ कहाँ है बता तो मुझको. चाह तो रही है कहीं पे. She wants me to come. Like she wants me to follow her, I guess. I don't know why. Just everywhere, like literally everywhere going. I searched everywhere. There is something about cats that curiosity kills them every time they wonder to explore. Like, so I don't know. Pachi Billy kaya, but yeah, we do kind of miss her. They want to explore a lot. So, तुम मत खो जाना भाई अब. Well, साफ सफाई तो होती रहेगी दोस्त पहले. पता है well I used to clean my room once a month. मतलब एक महीने के लिए नहीं छोड़ सकता. एक महीने के लिए छोड़ दिया तो बहन शाह पता इतनी स्पीसीज पैदा हो जाएंगी ना मेरे रूम में. There is something I learned from creating content. Like I'm creating content from last 2.5 years now, I guess. You just don't create content. You learn from it. Okay. Well, creating content is kind of a challenge for every day. Creating content every day is not easy, that's for sure. But it's fun. I guess it's fun. So the thing is everything you do, and it's like everything you do which makes you happy is fun. For me, it's recording, I guess. Well, if you are watching me from past 2 to 3 years, you will see that I never grew. मेरे 475 subscribers, and I'm just like kind of like in a ground zero now. Watch time तो बिल्कुल zero हो चुका है. चीजें zero हो चुकी हैं. I don't know. I guess it never meant for me to grow. Who knows? Like, I just wanted to record. And that's it. Does it matter if I grow or not? I don't think. Like, the thing that's like really matters nowadays is stability, right? If you're stable and then you can just do whatever you like. If I can get stability from a job, am I gonna get a job? I don't know. But yeah, I guess that's it. If I don't grow here, it's fine. But I'll just keep recording it. I'll just keep creating it. I just साफ सफाई कर रहा था. मैं क्या बातें करना था? There surely is a lot of things in my room. I don't know why I do have a lot of things in my room. एक छोटा सा bed. Right. Crazy. ये क्या गिर गया बेंच? Bed भी आखिरी सांसें ले रहा है मेरा. Do need a stability for sure. That's for sure. I'm kind of like, well, I can move my bed from my own single hand. It's heavy, but showing you how powerful I am, guys. You know, I'm just a normal guy with this normal things, right? I'm not special. I'm kind of a normal guy. Just love to create. I guess you don't have to be special. Contradict करूँ इसी बात को तो एक चीज मैंने ये भी सुनी थी कि you are someone right now. So world is a complicated place, and we are more complicated than that. The thing I'm trying to say, I'm not a very special guy, or I'm not someone who's special about things. I just love to create, and I guess if you want to do something, like if you want to create art out of something, you just do it. See, stability is like must. You know, there is always a motive behind things you do. For me, right now, I don't want to earn so much. Like I don't want to earn like I just want to earn enough, go to Bangalore and meet my wife. That's it. That's what I'm thinking about it. And to be honest, that's what I'm thinking about it. I don't want to ask someone for money. I don't want to do that. I just want to earn. I want to go to Bangalore and meet my brother and just spend some time. For now, that's my motive, I guess. Crazy shit. Well, let's get back to my room because it's still messy. And see, the thing is, that's my brother. I know you guys know, but if you don't know, that's me and that's my brother. So yeah, that's why my mom always says to clean your room in time. क्योंकि साफ करते रहो क्योंकि कान फट जाता है. Like what I have to do now, मेरे को पोछा लगाना है and मेरे को ये वाला टेबल साफ करना है. I'm almost done with झाड़ू. Like I'm done with झाड़ू. I'm not doing it again. Well, I do have an audience to watch me, but I can't. Privacy reasons, yeah. See, we do have an audience to watch us clean the room. You're not the only one who is watching me. So yeah. See, I kind of like have a lot of things in my room. So, can you see this deeply? Like it's inside this ink pot from last, I guess, 8 years now. Like it's the only thing that has stayed for me from very long. Like 8 saal is a long time. I know she's dead, but she's still here. Not like people who is. That's my little universe that I live in. Nikhil bought that for me on my birthday. But yeah. There are some persons in my life that I never thanked enough for helping me. And I think कि उन्होंने like they never wanted to hear that thanks from me. कि हाँ, maybe because some people don't do things so to show that they did it, but they just did it because of goodwill. And yeah, there is some people in my life who really helped me. I just want to thank them, and I know they know who I'm thanking. कई लोग अपने अपने पाथ पे चले गए, and that's a nice thing. I'm not complaining about it. It's a nice thing कि लोग अपने अपने पाथ पे चले गए, but I still misses you. I'm making content from the past 2.5 years now, so I kind of have learned a lot of things. And you know what's the most important thing that I have learned is that I haven't learned anything, and that's crazy because there is a whole load of things that you can still learn. And yeah, I guess